Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most adorable plush toys just in time for Halloween, Squishmallows' original 10-inch Gio the Gargoyle. If you're searching for the perfect blend of spooky and snuggly, look no further. This plushie is not just any toy. It's officially branded and ready to join your Halloween festivities. Let's talk about Gio the Gargoyle. At 10 inches tall, this plushie is just the right size for cuddles, playtime, or simply decorating your space for the Halloween season. With its soft gray fabric and friendly expression, Gio brings a fun yet spooky vibe that kids and adults alike will appreciate. One of the standout features of Squishmallows is their unique ability to combine cuteness with comfort. Made from high-quality polyester, Gio is incredibly soft, making it a great companion for long car rides, sleepovers, or just cozying up on the couch during a scary movie marathon. It's the plush you'll want to snuggle with. What makes Gio particularly special is its character. Unlike generic stuffed animals, each Squishmallow has its own personality. Gio the Gargoyle isn't just a plush toy, it's a character that encourages imaginative play. Kids can create their own stories, bringing a delightful twist to their Halloween adventures. Plus, with Halloween just around the corner, this plushie is an ideal gift choice for trick-or-treaters or party favors. And let's not forget about its collectible nature. Squishmallows have become a sensation, and many enthusiasts love to gather them all. Gio is part of the Halloween collection, making it a fantastic addition to your squad. Imagine showcasing this little guy next to other themed Squishmallows, creating a Halloween wonderland right in your home. As a gift, Gio is perfect for children of all ages. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just because, this plushie makes for a heartwarming present that will surely put a smile on anyone's face. The excitement of unwrapping a Squishmallow is matched only by the joy of cuddling with it afterward. Let's talk about practicality. The Squishmallows are designed for easy maintenance, and Gio is no exception. Simply spot clean if it gets a little messy, and it's good as new. It's durable enough to withstand the playful adventures of little ones, ensuring it stays in the family for years to come. Finally, if you're concerned about the price, we have great news. Currently, Gio is available at a fantastic price of $21.99, marked down from its original list price of $34.99. This is an incredible deal considering the quality and joy this plushie brings. So, whether you're a collector or just looking for the perfect Halloween gift, Gio the Gargoyle checks all the boxes. It combines fun, comfort, and an adorable design that's sure to capture the hearts of many. That wraps up our review of the Squishmallows' original 10-inch Gio the Gargoyle. If you're looking to bring a touch of Halloween magic into your life or that of a loved one, this plushie is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.